Hello my beautiful friend, I am so excited that you're here and I hope you have your hook ready because we're about to dive into something very exciting. Yes, it is time for our second year-long Mystery Crochet Along. And we do have a year-long knit-along happening as well if you would like to join that one too. Just check the description for the link. This year's design is a truly magnificent piece called Multivalence by Janica Carter. This is a visually stunning pattern that Janica designed for you to be very meditative, very calming, and to remind you to focus on each individual stitch. Pay attention to how the yarn feels as it moves through your fingers, the sounds of the hook and yarn as they dance together, and remember to drop your shoulders, relax your jaw, breathe deeply, and just enjoy the process. Here is how this Mystery Crochet Along is going to work. So the first thing is you want to download the pattern at expressionfiberarts.com. The second thing is while you are there, go ahead and sign up for email updates. This is super important because that is how you will get notified when the next clues go live. The third thing is make sure you click the link in the description to head to our Ravelry forum where you can get officially entered into the Crochet Along. And you're going to make some wonderful new crochet friends this year. You have the chance to win prizes. You can post pictures, ask questions. It's going to be a blast. The fourth thing is you're going to receive a new clue each month. So you'll stitch that clue for that month and then await next month's clue. To make this pattern, you're going to need 12 colors of yarn. We opted for our beautiful Mirage Sport weight yarn. It's a luxurious blend. It's got camel in there, cashmere, silk, and superwash merino wool, and it makes beautiful, snuggly, soft, heirloom quality projects that you're going to love for years to come. To help ensure your project is as gorgeous as it can be, we will be recommending 12 different colors for you throughout the year for this project, or you can go wild and choose whatever colors in our Mirage Sport that you love. It is hard to go wrong on this one. So here are some tips for you for this pattern. Gauge is not super important with this, but it will affect your yardage used. So you want to make sure and get the same gauge as the designer so that you don't run out of yarn. Also, very important, you want to make sure and save your leftover bits of yarn from each month because you will need them in future months. So here's clue number 1 for you. To work this clue, you're going to need to know how to work a 2 double crochet cluster, a 3 double crochet cluster, and a fan stitch. I've got a row of double crochets here just to practice our stitches on. This is not what your clue will look like at all. So let's go ahead and start with the 2 double crochet cluster. You're going to begin with the yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch indicated, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. So we're going to repeat that. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch indicated, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And when you have 3 loops left on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And there's your little 2 double crochet cluster. Here's a 3 double crochet cluster, which is very similar. Yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to do that twice more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and then when you have 4 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook, and there's your 3 double crochet cluster. For the fan stitch, we're going to start with a half double crochet into the stitch. Now you're going to work 3 double crochets into that same stitch. There's 1 and 2 and 3, and then finish off with a half double crochet into that same stitch. So you have a nice little fan. Once you have those stitches down, grab the pattern and you are good to jump into making the first clue. Happy crocheting, my friend. This year is going to be epic and I cannot wait for you to see this pattern unfold. Take care now and I will see you next month with clue number 2.